Thank you, Minister Kaba. Partnering with civil society is an important feature in all of the country program documents we're discussing today. I have now the pleasure to invite Khadija Djaraya, a Girl Scout leader in Tunisia. Khadija, you have the floor.
Thank you. Distinguished participants, greetings from Tunisia. I am Khadija Djaraya. I have been a member of the Tunisian Scout organization since I was 6 and participated in many national and international events to tackle topics like autism, refugee advocacy, and the COVID-19 pandemic. Our Tunisian Scout organization counts 90,000 members, spread over 1,600 units throughout Tunisia. It incites us to work with communities in all regions, especially the most inaccessible. It promotes the awareness and development of young people to become responsible and active citizens of their community. Young people are indeed the most curious and creative element of our society. However, the current pandemic is negatively affecting us. Social activities are now reduced, and students are switching to online classes, which are influencing their learning, while many remain excluded from learning as they do not have access to the internet. We were more than 12,000 active volunteers to support Tunisia's response to the fight against COVID-19. We have worked for around 2 million hours, which is 1/3 of the total amount of hours worked in the MENA region. On the occasion of World Hand Washing Day, we launched a major communication campaign on hand washing as one of the most important problems, especially in schools. In partnership with the Ministry of Health and UNICEF, we have set up the Awareness Initiative to incite community engagement in the prevention and fight against COVID-19. We have raised awareness against this pandemic by targeting public places and distributing flyers. We also supported multiple ministries by taking temperatures in schools and public spaces and organizing crowds in front of post offices, banks, and hospitals for compliance with preventive measures. We also supported containment centers and the elderly and disabled by purchasing and delivering their food and pharmaceutical needs. We noticed a great response from most of the citizens, and we felt that we were distinguished by our scouting uniform. I believe we left a good impact on a lot of the people. We even had citizens providing financial aid to our organization to support Tunisia's COVID-19 response. However, we believe it is still insufficient. We want children and young people to become active and critical citizens and develop a real culture of children's rights. Tunisia is going through important social and political reforms, and we must be actively involved so that our points of view and our expectations are heard and considered. We are full of hope and committed to building a better future for us and the next generations. Thank you.
Thank you, Khadija. Thank you very much. The young people like you is what gives us all hope. So thank you for the intervention.
Thank you, Madam President, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank the permanent representative of Tunisia, Ambassador Tariq Ladab, for his remarks. I would also like to express my appreciation to the government of Tunisia and other partners for the great cooperation and the development of the CPD and for the ongoing support to the work of UNICEF in Tunisia. UNICEF is fully committed to realize the results outlined in the CPD and also to work with the UNRC and UN agencies to support the new UN SCDF 2021-2025, which is in line with national plans in pursuit of the Sustainable Development Goals. Tunisia has been a great example in the region of addressing COVID, keeping schools open safely during the pandemic, paying attention to the socioeconomic conditions of COVID on children and their families, as well as working closely with UNICEF and WHO to access COVAX vaccines. But today I especially want to convey our appreciation for the positive contribution of young people, as represented today by Khadija and the Tunisian Scouts, to the awareness raising and the response to COVID in Tunisia. Having Khadija participate in the executive board today is a really strong recognition of the role that young Tunisians have played in the response. It makes us proud to have had this opportunity to be with her today. Thank you.